Tired of being chained to your desktop to manage your WhatsApp communications? Well, get ready to break free. In this video, we'll show you how to access and navigate the Wati dashboard right from your mobile device, so you can stay connected with your customers no matter where you are. First things first, grab your smartphone and open your preferred web browser, like Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. The Wati dashboard is web-based, so you won't need to download any special apps. Now, in the address bar, type in your Wati dashboard URL. This is usually a Poitio, but it might be different depending on your specific setup. Double check with your team if you're unsure. Next, you'll be directed to the Wati login screen. Enter the same email address and password you used to access Wati on your desktop. Make sure you type them in correctly. And boom, you're in. You'll now see the mobily optimized version of the Wati dashboard. Take a quick look around. The layout is designed to be intuitive. On smaller screens, you can easily access all your key features. For example, tap on chats to view and respond to ongoing conversations. Need to manage your contacts? Tap on the contacts section to view, search, and organize your customer list. Want to track your performance? Head over to the analytics section to monitor key metrics like response times and customer satisfaction. This will help you improve your WhatsApp communication workflow. And that's it. Now you can manage your WhatsApp communications, monitor your performance, and respond to customer inquiries, all from the palm of your hand. Stay connected and stay productive with Wati on mobile.